Hello students, this is regarding the latest notification for CSEET January 2021 registration. As you know, yesterday this ICSI released the new notification which says that the exam registration for January 2021 attempt will start from 28th October. अगर आप लोगों को January 2021 attempt का एग्ज़ाम देना है जो कि 9th January 2021 को होगा, it is a Saturday, right? So you can start registering from 28th of October. The last date for registration is 15 December. ठीक है, ये चीज़ें हमने इन्फॉर्मेशन सारी दे रखी है कि रजिस्ट्रेशन स्टार्ट डेट जो है वो है October 28, रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड डेट है December 15 एंड द एग्ज़ाम डेट फॉर January 2021 एग्ज़ाम इज January 9, 2020. ठीक है, ये सैटरडे है. So this is the date. Okay, we have also provided you the link and step-by-step process on how to register for CSEET. So देखिए, जब आप इस लिंक को विजिट करेंगे you will get the instructions what all documents you need. Alright, so what all documents you need include your photograph, a signature of your, okay, so what you can do is you can sign, create a signature on a PPT or on a paper and pen and just click an image. Okay, similarly the other documents that you will require is 10th class pass certificate, that is your date of birth certificate. Okay, if you are appearing for 12th class examinations, then your admit card or hall ticket, otherwise your 12th class pass certificate or mark sheet. Okay, if you want to avail any fee concession, then the category certificate, and one thing that you also need is identity proof, preferably Aadhaar card, okay, or a passport or voter ID. Any such one of these identity proofs would do. Okay, so then you will click on proceed to registration. Here then you will get the basic details wherein you have to fill in your address, your name, alright, your education and everything, and then you will get the fees details page. Okay, so here you need to pay 1000 rupees for general category. Okay, otherwise there's a bit of exemption for other categories. Next, you need to add your image, signature and documents. So all the details are provided, which are the criteria, okay, and what kind of an image it should be, alright, what kind of documents you need. So all those things you will simply click on choose file and then upload so that they can be saved. Okay, once you add proper images and documents, you will get a confirmation like this. Okay, that okay, these are the documents that you have already added and they are fine. And so once you click check mark this undertaking and click on next, your documents will be accepted. Okay, then you can get a preview of your complete application, and once you see that alright, all the details are correct and everything and all the documents have been furnished, in that case you can click on confirm application. Okay, on the next page you will be asked to complete payment. सो जब आप लोग ये पूरी एप्लीकेशन को कंफर्म कर चुके होंगे सारी डिटेल सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स के साथ, तो फिर आपको करना होगा पेमेंट दोनों तरीक़ों से हो सकता है, वहाँ पे अलग अलग मोड्स दे रखे हैं. ठीक है, तो आप ऑनलाइन पेमेंट कर सकते हैं, यू कैन मेक द पेमेंट ऑनलाइन, ऑलराइट, और यू कैन गो टू अ बैंक एंड पे एंड देन गेट अ रिसीट और अ चालान, okay, and use that challan form. Okay, once you complete the payment you will get a receipt and the details of your registration. So this is very important, make sure you register. And if you want to attempt for November exam, okay, let me just very quickly clarify, today that is October 27 is the last date when you can register. All right, so if you want to appear for this November attempt, the exam will be held on November 21. In that case, today is the last date when you can register. So don't delay, just hurry up and register for the exam. And in case you need any kind of mentorship, any kind of preparation guidance, you can always reach out to SuperProfs and we will help you. We also provide online classes for CSEET, and which include all the mock tests discussion completely, okay, provided by the ICSI, and online classes for all the subjects. Alright, so don't waste any time, register for CSEET quickly and start preparing. All the best.